negotiation is so important. You need to know your victim before negotiation with him. Before the negotiation, start by asking something about his life. Ask him what he like, what his passion is, and then you can use it for your advantage. Let's look about the 4 types of people in negotiation. The first one is the short. He's determined to win, and the only goal he had is to win. He is focused on his goal and he will do anything to win. The second one is O's. He look for a win-win situation for both of people. They look for a relationship in long time. They are open and transparent. The third one is turtle. They don't like conflict, so if a conflict appears in the negotiation, you have the opportunity to win the situation. Now teddy bear. Teddy bear is more likely to make concession for the negotiation. Why emotion is so important in negotiation? Now these days, the generation is so emotional. We don't have the emotional control we had before. That's why emotion negotiation is so important. When we talk about negotiation, you need to treat the person with his own feelings. That's why it's so important to know who is your victim before starting negotiation. There are also negative side of emotion. The negotiation can turn into anger, and that's not what we want. We want a good and manipulative negotiation. On the positive side, you need to understand your victim. Don't talk about yourself, we don't care. Ask a lot of things about his company and him. You need to show empathy and recognize your emotional state and how it can impact your decision. Strategy for managing your emotion, like taking a break when emotions run high. Try to show empathy to your client. When it's something personal you talk about in the negotiation. So we talk about emotional negotiation. Why it's so important? Because this day all people is really emotional and we lost the emotional control we had before. That's why it's so important to try this technique when negotiation. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and even watch more of my content, because I will do more of this type of content in the next video.